This is a story about Arvind Chander. Arvind is a long-haul truck driver through and through.
How are you? Good.
Every one of his friends and family knows it. It isn't Arvind's only job. He also works weekends on the family farm.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too, sweetie.
Driving a truck is something he takes great pride in. He also takes special care of his truck, customizing it in every way possible. Most of all, driving a truck gives Arvind a sense of freedom. But one day, after a routine delivery, while exiting the cab, something strange happened. Arvind Chander climbed out the wrong way. He jumped off the top step and blew out his right knee. It was at that moment Arvind Chander's life began to change.
There was significant tearing around the knee.
You see, unable to walk or drive,
I'm sorry.
Arvind required surgery.
Requires surgery.
The recovery time meant Arvind was off work for several months, during which neither Arvind nor his truck were working. Unable to help with the farm, Arvind had to rely on his extended family to pitch in during the harvest. The payments on his truck loan began to add up, and Arvind and his wife had to dip into their savings. Arvind also couldn't attend his son's out-of-town hockey tournament, and his son, like many preteens before him,
You're all stupid!
decided to hate everything. Arvind's mother, who worried about him at the best of times, moved in to look after him.
Then you should rest instead of watching this stupid thing. Mom,
Finally,
doctor's orders.
to make ends meet, Arvind agreed to let Raj,
I'm so sorry you were hurt.
his arch rival since primary school, drive his truck. Raj was not what Arvind would consider a reliable driver. Life had taken a bad turn for Arvind Chander. Hold on, that's not Arvind Chander. That's some other driver. Sure, Arvind Chander climbed out of his truck that day. But, like every other day, Arvind put on his steel-toed boots and climbed out of the cab the right way, using 3 points of contact at all times. While it took him a few extra seconds, Arvind Chander got out of his cab safely and went about his day. Because Arvind knows what can happen if he doesn't look after himself. Arvind understands that staying healthy allows him to build a good life for his family and keeps him on the road. Because Arvind Chander is a professional truck driver.